Guys, can you hear me? Welcome. Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Welcome traders. Hope that you are ready for another. This is a absolutely very important day, as we can see that CAD and dollar coming together to have a big move. Looking at the calendar now, what we see with the calendar, CAD GDP coming in just a matter of 1.5 hours, and also dollar unemployment cost index is coming. Pardon me, employment cost index coming on dollar, and CAD GDP. So let's keep moving with that. Now what you can see, dollar, CAD, gold, both of them we should see a good movement in the upcoming session. So we see that lower time frame, gold today we have seen significant breakdown, and as the market is bearish, we could see that this price is breaking down even to create a new high, new lower low. So far we see from the daily, gold has got a strong bearish momentum here. Now with that being said, we will be looking for entry opportunity in any of them. I will be doing a full analysis before we enter any trade to see where is our next opportunity once I see that everyone is here. So you can say yes when you are here. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello sir. Good morning. Good afternoon. Kisito, greetings. Good afternoon. Thank you for another day. Yeah, greetings sir. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining the live session. So let's begin today's, and then also we'll be looking at other. So we will be looking at one by one to see where is our next opportunity. So first of all, let's look at, I will be starting with gold and also with the GBP, JPY, and also we will be looking at some other pairs as well, currently showing opportunity. Good afternoon. Greeting coach. Yes, we are here. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Yes, one smart sniper. Yeah. Hello coach. Thank you very much. Welcome. Jay. Good job. Okay, so if you guys are here, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press the bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And also guys, make a prediction. What do you think that which way the market is heading on gold, and you can see the JJ and also dollar yen. So looking at, first of all, I'll be looking at gold and also GBP. So looking at, first of all, gold, let's begin with the gold, looking at the higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart, as this monthly candle is closing. So after 30 days, it's ready to close this monthly candle. And with this monthly candle close on gold, we will be waiting for the price to bounce and fill that long wick at the top. So long-term picture on gold is bullish that we see. It's a bullish market. And with this bull market on gold for long-term perspective, as it is a bullish market, we will be waiting for the price to drop and then to go up and then fill that long wick at the top. So this is a long-term bullish market waiting for the price to go ahead and fill that wick. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, what we can see from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly impulse here, followed by, this is a drop on the weekly. And with this drop from this weekly perspective, And from the weekly perspective, gold, we can see that there is so far a bearish pressure in that area. Now if you closely look at what you can see, that from the bigger picture perspective, gold here, it formed a wickless candle. It was basically a gap opening, and the market formed a wick at the bottom. So we see that the price is coming for a weak fill, which might be ultimately dropping down below this level. So we see that there is a potential for downside on gold. Now looking at the daily chart, from the daily time frame, there was a big drop, pullback. The price started to drop again. So ultimately now we might see that the price will try to test this daily low, which is the 2304 possible, as there is a news coming in just a matter of 1 hour 15 minutes. And with that breakdown, what we can expect on gold for the price to retest this support. So far we see that bearish pressure since the market open. We see keep pushing down, and this current candle is a bit of unusual. As you can see, it didn't break below, but it's forming a narrower candle. Now 1 hour 44 minutes remaining for this candle, and it will be a news candle, in fact, with the dollar and CAD. So there is a probability now for the gold to drop and break down, or then just to push, to move up again to create a new higher high. So lower time frame, if we drop, break down to the further lower time frame from the 1 hour, we can see that there is a doji, a big drop. The price now currently in that area is in a pullback on the, you see, back-to-back 2 hours of narrower candle, and the price is still showing bearish pressure in that area. Now if we look at the 15 minutes chart, here is the zone where the price, there was a 120 MA retest, a complete breakdown, followed by, we can see that there is another breakdown here. And at the moment, what we could see that on gold, for the price to go ahead and retest and then to drop down again to create a new lower low. So looking at very lower time frame from the 5-minute chart, what we can see, the price has gone up, retested this resistance, and slowly forming a series of lower high and lower lows, which is a long-term downtrending market structure. Now from that place, what we can expect, this is the support level, this is the daily low, and also there is another support here. I think if gold managed to break below after significant liquidity grab, we might see that gold ultimately coming down and then feeling that long wick, which is the weekly long wick at the bottom. So this is the weekly low. This is also around 50% of this zone, and let's keep eye for any kind of pullback towards the upside. I think if gold managed to break this high going to this zone again, we might see that potential again bearish price action. So this is a resistance level on gold that we will be waiting for entry. So this is a resistance level. So this is a resistance level on gold, and with this resistance, waiting for gold to go ahead and then to give us that entry opportunity. So yeah, there is a bit of imbalance here. There's a bit of imbalance. So waiting for gold to go ahead, and also if we look at the 4 hour, this is the previous high. So if the market goes up again, retest that, there will be a probability for another downside. As you can see, there is a neckline of this level here as well. So this is the zone. These are some of the levels that we can expect for gold to go ahead and retest, and from that zone we can look for potential entry opportunity. I believe that, guys, you are enjoying the live session. We started the day, and if you are enjoying, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So this is a resistance level in that area, and in this resistance level, this is a level that I'm expecting gold to go ahead and fill and then to drop down again from that zone. So we will also looking at other pairs such as the GJ and some of the pairs that currently showing the opportunity. Let me know which one you are looking at as well. William, thank you very much. Looking for a good entry, coach? Yes, absolutely. You mean the gold entry or good entry? Gold earlier almost took me out of trade. Why? Good afternoon. I think gold will go down and tap 2304 zone. You think that? Probably, yeah. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. So do you think that gold will go down and hit that 2304 level? So how many traders think that gold will go down and 2304? So do you agree with this statement that I think gold will go down, tap 2304 level, or you think that gold will keep pushing high? What's your view on that? Thank you. Dollar CAD, yeah. Gbpusd, yeah, we'll be looking at that. William, thank you very much. Okay, so here what we can see in this zone, this is a resistance zone where we can see there is a high liquidity area, and in that high liquidity zone, if we look at, we'll be waiting for gold to go ahead and retest and then to drop down again to create a new lower low. So this is where I'm targeting for gold to go ahead and retest and then to reject to the downside. Let's see how the market might be doing in that zone. And do you think that gold will break down, or your teaching is so good, making us technically strong? Sinjay, and thank you so much. Yeah, absolutely. You are always welcome. Guys, we always get signal for free. So let's please put like on this. Delson, you're welcome. Appreciate that, guys. If you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, will be much appreciated, and I'm sure that you'll find a lot of value here. Now, the most important part that I would like to talk about is that about the teaching. The real trading education is not available. Okay, to be fully clear, the real trading education is not available, and I have learned in a very hard way. For example, understanding the liquidity, understanding price action, understanding how the market is doing. So it's very important that you always look at the bigger picture and then trade with the trend. Looking at the price action is very important, and that's why this academy is created. And when I begin this academy, I decided to give completely free education, but I want to give free education for those who are passionate about trading. Are you guys ready for becoming a profitable trader? It's possible. I have shown many of in our academy to many of our members that it is possible to be a profitable trader. Do you think that is possible? I will pick today a couple of members from here to take the academy, into the academy, to teach you how to do the risk management, to learn the strategy. But I would like to see that what's your commitment to become a profitable trader? How long you want to hold on to that? So let me know in the live chat, are you committed to be a long-term profitable trader? Good morning. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for joining the live session. Ebenzer, yeah. Sinjay, yes sir, I'm interested to learn from you. Welcome, Sinjay. So also I need to know what's your objective as a trader. Do you want to be just to make money, or you want to be a professional profitable trader? Because having a clear understanding about your goal is very important, so that you know exactly what to do. So this is a resistance level that we will be looking at. So this is a resistance level that we will be looking at to see. Remember to pick, sir. Okay, because I'm working from home and I would like to walk in your path, follow your skills. Caspers, finally I would recommend you to follow your path and follow your skill, because everyone has his own way. There is a saying that follow your own path. But if you are lost in the jungle and suddenly you find a path, follow that path. So if you think that you are lost, yeah, you can follow my path. But once you find your own path, then follow your own path. Because the ultimate peace and happiness and everything will come when you follow your own path. So I also followed someone else's path, but ultimately I followed my own path. So everyone do like this. Start with following others' path, learning from other, and then follow your own path. I've consumed a lot from your channel and I'm interested to learn from you with an professional trader this market. Okay, very good. I want to become a teacher. I have realized without quality training. This game is lethal. Okay, I'm committed. Coach will be glad if you give me that chance to be in academy. Interested in processing, becoming considerable trader. Okay. All right, traders. So I will be taking limited number today. First, let's focus on our learning, and then from here, if you guys, for those who will be fully committed, that you don't quit, you will be trading, we can get you in the academy. So I'll give you the detail how you can join today, but I really want so that you can get benefit from it, from this education, and become a professional trader. So let me give you the detail while we are waiting for the trade. And so this will be a very limited number that I have, because I can't take big number for the training. There is liquidity candle formation. Okay, so there is a liquidity candle formation here on gold, and as there is a news coming later today, I'm expecting gold to have a very good move here. Now, while we are looking at for entry opportunity, there is a limited time. So I can take 10 members. So for those who will come first will be given first 10 members. These 10 members will be completely free. This for today, only for today. This is just to take in the academy, but you must be committed fully. So I'm giving two information in the live chat. Keep in mind, traders, it will be only for 10 members to join the academy. So get ready to get the email, get the information. So I have shared an information on the live chat. It's only in the live chat. Also, you can find that link in the description area. So once your account is ready, I have given the recommended broker link. This is a regulated broker. So because you need to be prepared with your account. So once just sign up and then fund your account and then email us info@forextradingwizard.com. So there will be 10 people who will be qualified to join the lifetime access in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, everything, including this liquidity candle will be given to the, so only for 10 people. So if you don't hear back from us this week, then most likely you need to wait for the next week, but it will be given first come first serve basis. So I have given you a link, just clarifying the how you can join the lifetime. I have given you a link on the live chat. Once you sign up with that link, just fund your account in your account and then email me or email the team, the info@forextradingwizard.com, that your account is ready, so we can give you access to the academy to join and to learn with me to grow as a trader. So, but if you don't hear us back, that means you probably a bit delayed, and probably it will be might be the next week that you can join. So the broker link, as you can see, this is the brokerage link. This is the link for the broker. They are regulated broker, and also you can once your account is funded, you can email. Okay, let's move now to our regular task. So here we can see that gold, this is the intraday 4-hour resistance level, waiting for the price to retest and then to reject in that direction. So let's see how far it is going, and based on that I will be looking for entry opportunity. I think that with the news, because dollar and CAD, both of them coming, we might see that strong movement may happen. We will be waiting for a bit of a stronger liquidity grab, and then we can look for that entry opportunity. Let's see how far it is going. And in the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing out any of the content that I am posting every single day. Okay, so here we're waiting for gold. Now, while we're waiting for gold, as there will be around 30 minutes delay for the news to come, let's look at dollar CAD as well to see, as there's a CAD news coming. Dollar CAD also very volatile at the moment. Looking at dollar CAD, looking at the intraday time frame, we can see that if you guys remember yesterday's analysis on dollar CAD that I was talking about, the dollar CAD might be bouncing off that, and it did that. We have seen a gap opening and the market started to bounce off that level. Now at the moment, let's see how dollar CAD is doing in that area. Now looking at, first of all, bigger picture on dollar CAD, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now we can see that from the monthly perspective, dollar CAD is bullish. Now if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly support level, and with that support, what we can see that the market is bouncing off this level with a strong momentum in it from the weekly. And if we look at the daily chart on dollar CAD, there was a doji on the daily, and you can see this is a doji here. So from that zone, dollar CAD had a bounce with crossover of 20 EMA. We can see that there is a bounce here, and with that bounce, dollar CAD currently moving up, and I think that we might see ultimately dollar CAD going to this resistance level. There is a high liquidity. Now if we look at the intraday time frame on dollar CAD, we can see that there is a very strong momentum, and this current session's candle has come to this liquidity zone. Now the price didn't break that low, but I think that if we see with the news, the price already has crossed the 10 and 20 EMA. So we see 10 and 20 EMA crossover in that area, and with that crossover, expecting dollar CAD to remain bullish. Now if the price drop with the spike a bit to the downside, could be an important zone that we can look at on dollar CAD to see how the price is doing. Now looking at the lower time frame on 15-minute chart, here we can see there was consolidation, breakout, pin bar, and expecting for the price to go ahead and to create a new higher high. So looking at this zone in that area on dollar CAD, there is a bullish pin bar. This is the 5-minute chart also, and also this is a support level. I will be waiting for dollar CAD to come down and then to bounce back up again in that area. So we see that there is a bit of strong momentum on dollar CAD, and as there is the news coming up, I would like to see that dollar CAD has tested this and then has got a rejection to the upside. So support level here, and the price action might remain bullish on dollar CAD. So here is a drop to this support level, and from this support expecting dollar CAD to bounce and then to create a new higher high. So yeah, this is a support level. And do you think the dollar CAD is bouncing or it's gonna break down again? What's your opinion on dollar CAD? We'll come back to it. Let's quickly look at again gold. We can see that it's started to drop again from that zone. So as there is a very high impact news coming from the daily, the price already made significant rejection here, and with this significant rejection, what we can expect on dollar CAD for the price to break and then to create a new lower low. So what we can see on gold in that area, there is this doji has grabbed liquidity from that zone, and with that liquidity grab expecting gold to break down. But before breaking down, I'd like to see that the news is giving a bit of stronger liquidity in that zone. So what is liquidity is also an important question, isn't it? Because as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, when the market grabbed the liquidity, we could see that significant movement in the market. And liquidity is like an unseen part of the market. So if you look at the chart, what you can see is the price was testing this resistance and then has got a rejection. So when the market grabbed multiple liquidity, it started to drop further. Okay. And now at the moment, as there is a news coming, we will be waiting a bit of patience here for that news to come. And then once we see the price has given that potential, the patience is the key here in trading. And along with also okay, the price has started to drop, and it's already made a big drop for today on the daily. And what I'm waiting for the price after this big drop, for the price to go up for a deeper pullback, but the price action might remain still bearish. So with that respect, if the price remaining bearish on gold, what do you think, that it's coming down to 2301 level, 2300 level? Do you think that? So this is with the gold, and what's happening with the Gbpusd, a bit in a choppy market. So you see a bit of sideways movement on JJ and dollar yen. So if we look at the USD pair, euro dollar, didn't work out here. So we have seen that yesterday's GBP USD trade has gone up and hit that break-even zone. And on gold especially, I'm looking at to see an entry. And also I would like to ask you one important question. So what's your trading objective? It's very important that, you know, as a trader you have an objective so that you know exactly what you are after in trading. Please help me join today. Okay, Sanjay, so I have given you a link for the, you can find link below this video to join today. It's only 1 day joining offer to take the most passionate trader to come to the academy to stay with me in the live trading room. I have also another live trading room that we have some members already qualified, where I do my private trading and I train the strategy and everything. So if you want to join that live trading room with me, then today only for 10 members there is a completely free joining opportunity available. So to join free, just get your account ready. I've given you a link below this video in the description for the broker that I will be training you there. And also I have given you the broker link on the live chat. So once you register and then fund your account, just email us info@forextradingwizard.com. We'll email you back the access. So this is, I have given you all the details. That's only you need. But if you don't hear from us this week, that means that probably you are a bit delayed, and then you might need to wait for the next week. So the faster will be, the easier. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, we can see that gold started to drop here again. There's a bit of downside, and as there will be a news on dollar and CAD both, there might be a bit of a stronger spike. Let me reanalyze the chart to see how it is doing, and in the meantime I'll just be back in just a 30-second break, guys. Coming back. Okay, so we are on this, and at the moment what we can see, as there is a news coming, we might see that the price ultimately testing that and dropping down here. So yeah, we can see that the price is showing that pattern. Also, let's look at what we can see, Gbpjpy. A bit of sideways. I wouldn't look at JJ. I would like to focus on gold and other pairs as well. We can see gold, what we can see that the market in fact made significant movement here, and it's, you can see it's formed two liquidity candle, two wickless candle on the lower time frame, which is as this one also becoming a wickless candle. So basically the price is highly bearish, so we will be waiting for it to again to go up to some of the to grab some more liquidity here and then return back again to the support level. So looking at the daily chart, this is the daily low here, which is a very important level from the daily, and it's just pushing high. We need to see before the news enough pullback so that we can take another selling opportunity. So can I buy until it reaches the resistance point, or can it leave it like this? Which one you are talking about, Tony? Good afternoon. We built our own path with the time, but we need to find the right one with the right people on our path come across. Yeah, absolutely, everything overlaps, so everything is unique and also everything overlaps. So it's like there is a uniqueness and also there is a connectedness, so it's all together. I've been watching your videos and watching live stream, Travis. I've been watching your videos and watching live stream. I feel like learning your strategy will help me greatly. I'm committed to become. Okay, so Travis, yes, this is what exactly I need. I begin my trading journey with almost nothing. All right, so I had to do a full-time job that I did not like, but at the same time I was not profitable. So I know to this day many traders probably struggling with their job, but I don't recommend you to quit your job like I did. I made that mistake, but it had to pay the price. But what I suggest you best is do not quit your job, but become profitable while you are in a job, and then you can combine that together. So that is why this academy, when I begin first, I started, the intention was to give free education to everyone who need it, but not giving any education to who are not committed. Very simple, because the trading is not easy, it's hard, right? You need a lot of commitment to be profitable as a trader. But the other side, there is a reward, right? There's always a real reward on the other side. Now the best thing in trader is that if you have $100, also you can be a trader. for $1 million account, which is not possible in any other areas, right? If you want to do anything, drop shipping, that popular things, Amazon drop shipping, or doing any kind of business online, you need a website, you need to do that, you need customers and a lot of things, and then still you are not sure either you will be successful or no. In trading, you need nothing except self-discipline, which is very important. And that's what my goal here is, to give you that environment and the tools that you need. Now, one of my best tool also now available for the members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, this liquidity candle. Now, liquidity candle is, you can see there is a liquidity candle formation and the market. We see that in this whole move. Now, this tool also I'm teaching in the live trading room, in the VIP live trading room, how to use that liquidity candle with proper risk management. Now, for those who are joining today, I have only 1 day free offer to take in the academy, completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Only 10 people I can take, because I have a space for 10 people. So the only thing that you need to do to join for free today is, I'm giving you the information now in the live chat. I hope that the mic is working well. Guys, mic is working well. So you can see that I have given you the regulated broker link. Also, you can find that link in the description. Just sign up, fund your account, and then email info@forextradingwizard.com so that you are notified. And once you email us, we'll give you the access detail via the return email, and that's it. It's only 10 people. So if you delay in the sign up, probably next week there might be opportunity or might not, depending on the situation. So I've given that, but it's only possible for 10 people. So if you are not yet joining, you can do it now straight away. Just sign up and then fund it with an email us back. So now let's go back to gold again, and I can see that this is 10 p.m. in my zone, and 10:30 p.m. is the news. So let's quickly look at Forex Factory calendar, looking at the calendar here. And with the calendar, what we can see, 10:30 p.m., which is the GBP, GDP. I always say GDPS, GBPS, guys. It's insane. So I always, in that area I have a little bit of dialects here. So GDP, GBP, and then dollar coming employment cost index, so which is the forecast was 1%, and for CAD GDP 0.3%. So dollar CAD. And let's also look at dollar CAD. This one, I'm expecting that gold to go up and to go up for a pullback that I'm expecting to go up and to go up for a pullback, and then we can look for that selling opportunity on gold. Now let's look at the dollar CAD to see. Now looking at dollar CAD, dollar CAD, we see that it's again coming back to this support level. Okay, looking at the daily chart on dollar CAD, we can see that from the daily, this is a support level. Back to back 2 long week candle on the dollar CAD has got a bounce with a big bullish candle on the daily. Looking at the monthly chart on dollar CAD, we can see that this is the monthly bullish price action. Looking at the weekly here, where this is a support level, there is a bounce on the weekly. Now looking at daily chart on dollar CAD, what we can see that there is a support and then has got a bounce here on dollar CAD. Now looking at the intraday, if we see that with the news the spike is coming below this 1.3681 is an important support level. And yeah, let's see how the market is reacting in that area. Based on that, we will be looking for entry opportunity on dollar CAD. Yeah. So we'll be waiting for a liquidity grab on dollar CAD, and then we can look for that entry opportunity. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, traders, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Okay, so we see that gold again it moved to that zone where if we see that 1 hour candle closed with a red long wick at the bottom. So potentially, if you look at the 1 minute chart, there is a so looking at employment cost index on USD, CAD, and also there is two news coming. Both of them we will be covering here. So 12 AM also coming in my CV, consumer confidence, very important news coming. And tomorrow coming NZD, employment change, unemployment rate, and then coming 10:15 PM also tomorrow, very important day on ADP non-farm employment change. And there will be on Thursday, there will be news as well. USD, ISM manufacturing, PMI, JOLTS job opening. Yeah, quite a bit of news coming. So this is NFP week, as you know that, guys. So in NFP week, it's absolutely important to look at the overall direction in the market, how the market might be doing for long-term perspective. Awesome, thank you very much. Hopefully, yeah, please send a link. Yeah, so it's sent. Hope that you guys got it. Good evening, sir. Can you please update gold? Yeah, we are looking at, sir, I tried but failed. What happened? Why did you fail? So you mean that to register? Shouldn't be. So I have possibility to go down. It's 2030 down to, yeah. Thank you. So I have tried. I think finally down point. Yeah. So it's okay. So can you please explain? Yeah. Gold is going to tap 2304, then go up to 2333 during the news. Yeah. Good afternoon. It's my log. Don't accept the bad luck. Okay. If you accept the bad luck, then bad luck will be your good luck. Okay. So always don't settle for a bad luck. If you tried, then try another time, or maybe use another device, or maybe use a mobile device or PC device or anything like that. Can you share the link for the liquidity candle tutorial? I'm VIP member, Martina. Yes, there will be the liquidity candle access given. There will be a tutorial coming very soon explaining more in depth on that liquidity candle. I'm sole trader and I have only store. It's really sucks and eBay are greedy. Example, if I sell the bike, fees are £300, my profit around £70, and it's hard to run business from home. Yeah, I know it sucks. This these things, yeah, you know, that's why I relied fully on completely on the trading, because it's, see, anything you don't love, you will not be able to last it for a long time on it, because trading is, for me, it's fun. The only thing that you need to develop as a trader is patience. Okay, you can read books that will help you. So if you read J.C. Livermore's, he had quite a few books, and also quite a few other books also on by other writers. But there is only one thing, the books mostly will focus on, you'll see that trading books mostly focus on trading psychology. So trading books will not teach you any strategy or any kind of books not good for a strategy. No books is going to teach you strategy, but mostly you'll see that trading books will be giving you more in-depth understanding of the trading psychology. I think that's also very important part. That's the most important part that I would say, having a strong trading psychology. Yeah, that's what it is. And in trading, what you need is not to quit. That's the commitment that you need to make to yourself. So thanks, coach, for your care. I absolutely agree 100% that discipline is the crucial factor for being profitable and not blowing out one account after another because breaking this principle. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, Musabab, you are in the right point, but at the same time, guys, keep in mind that also, you see, traders who are successful, there was a, every trader has a phase. Okay, the first phase of a trader in his trading career is a losing phase, blowing phase. Right, so it's very important that you have also the positive outlook on something might be negative to you. So you need to look at from a very different angle. Imagine that you have climbed a mountain. Okay, you have climbed a mountain. Now you are at the top of the mountain, right? But you can't criticize the mountain, right? Because if it isn't there, then you are not there. So that's what it is that you need to understand, and then you need to embrace it, right? USD, yeah. Coach, can we get a clear explanation on liquidity graph? Okay, so very good question about the liquidity graph. The clear explanation of liquidity graph. So yeah, absolutely, this is why I am here, and that's what also I'm focusing currently. Also, I'll be focusing mostly on those kind of education on the live trading room. So in the VIP live trading room, you will be also learning this strategy, how to use the liquidity candle with the proper risk management, because here on the live session on YouTube we mainly focus on trading and also little education. But in the live trading, in the VIP live trading room, I have a bit more room to give you the strategy that I am trading along with all the education. And today I have decided to take 10 people. We have 10 sports basically to join in the academy with lifetime access, which is in regular time is $1,050. I'll take 10 people to join the academy to become a member of Forex Trading Wizard Academy for lifetime. Only 10. And to access that, this is the information. You sign up the broker, the link given in the description, and then they are regulated broker funded, and then email us back with the email address given, info@forextradingwizard.com, and we'll be sending you the access straight away. So let's look at now, as only 20 minutes remaining for the news to come. Hope that you are enjoying the live session, the quiet moment. Silence sometimes helps. Silence is the language of the universe. So sometimes being silent will help you also to focus from everything. So from 1 minute, we can see that there was a bit of liquidity grab here. I will be explaining also in depth on about the liquidity grab and everything, that what you need to know. Here is, we can see that with the news coming up, the market started to become a bit of volatile, and it might just keep pushing down here. we'll be entering the trade as soon as just we have 15 minutes to go for the news. And okay, so we might see a bit of now pullback before the news. And let's see what's happening with the dollar CAD also. Dollar CAD after this, yeah, so it's also coming for this drop here. If we look at the daily, any drop on dollar CAD might even give us an entry opportunity here. Pretty interesting price action on dollar CAD. So back to back 15 minutes bearish candle. This might bring that price now again that we discussed to the support level, and even it could again could break down further. Depending on how the news is doing will determine how the price will impact the price here. And gold, we can see there is a bit of local upside. There is an inverted head and shoulder, but I need to look at either the gold is being able to break down from break out from here, which is less likely to 4 hour. Is still we can see that from the lower time frame here, this is support. Okay, so here is gold 15-minute chart, broken that high. Now it's forming potential liquidity candle here on gold. Are you guys with me? So there is a breakdown, and let me see from the weekly chart where we can expect gold to drop. As it is pushing down on gold on the weekly, and we might see that gold might be ending up breaking all this low, and then it might get rejected later. But at the moment we see the price action is highly bearish, and chances that 2291 level might be breaking down here. Now this is a important resistance level. If the spike come to the upside and then grabbing liquidity from here, also an important level to look at, 2314, which also possible to happen as the market getting a bit of volatile, as there is a weakless candle here. So we have only 10 minutes remaining. The market getting a bit of excited here. We could look to sell here, but there is a news and I wouldn't take that risk at the moment. Being patient is key. Let's quickly look at dollar CAD. So dollar getting weaker against CAD, and I think that might be also reflecting on DXY. Now, DXY within a sideways, CAD got maybe stronger, while dollar yen getting stronger. So yen is weaker. Okay, here we see that after this liquidity candle formation, the way the price action forming, the spike, if the spike to the upside, that might be giving further room for drop here. So you might see a bit of, what do you think that guys, gold is going to drop, or you think that gold is again bouncing back to the upside? What's your opinion on gold? And thanks for joining the live session. Also traders, if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, press the bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Thank you. I cannot open account on the United States. Travis, no problem. If you cannot open account, you still can join via the website. So if you are on the website www.forextradingwizard.com and visit the website and then click join now button, you will be able to join still via the website if you cannot open account with the broker. Now before we go to the news trading, there is a 10 spots available to join in Forex Trading Wizard Academy today, almost fully free, but only for 10 members. So you can use the information given on the live chat and I'm sharing with you, so you can register with the regulated broker and then fund the account, email us info@forextradingwizard.com. I can give you access to via the email the team will send you, and this is only for today's, only today this offer and ended today. So if you register today, even still you can be eligible for later if it takes time. But you need to, if you register today, in the first 10 people, within the 10 people, you will get access. So which is worth of around $1,000.50. But if you miss today, the next week might be able to do that. So you might be able to do that on the next week. But if you are qualified today, you can access it. But you still, if you don't want to join via the broker, still you can visit the website and then click join now button, and you will be able to join and access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So thanks for also smashing the like button. We are ready for a move. I think let's see how gold is doing. Make sure traders, everything you take as just an opinion, because anything can happen, and we see that the market a bit of volatile. So make sure you are not risking. Always do proper risk management is the key. So you always use the risk management when you are trading. So it's a bit of 4 minutes to go before the news. So this is basically a liquidity candle formation, and we have before the news, this candle is being formed. Now it is important to see either the market is respecting this or breaking down from that level. So last 1 minute for the news to come, and there might be a bit of a spike here. Downside, remove, big drop. Sip drop. It's gonna happen now. This is very important to look at. So basically the price has dropped back to that daily support that we discussed, 2300, and now any pullback to the upside also will be another opportunity for entering again another trade. Guys. See, this is where back to liquidity candle formation, and we can see a bit of pullback here. And looking at the daily chart, the price has broken the daily low just now, and with that break of the daily low, we might see now a bit of deeper side and then breaking down again. So what kind of situation here we have in gold? So how the data came out is very important to look at. So GDP came to be 0.2%, which is basically lower than the expected. Therefore, CAD is most likely to be weaker. Dollar got stronger and 1.2%. The data is stronger. Now let's see in practical what happened with the dollar CAD. Yeah, that has been reflected here. Okay. So you see that there is a weakness on CAD, strengthening on dollar, and basically after this there is a bit of liquidity grab and then has got rejection. So now at this point you can see that there is a massive liquidity grab that we discussed, that price has broken that and has got a bounce. And with this rejection, dollar CAD might be starting an uptrending market structure most likely. So if you look at the daily, here you can see after back-to-back two dojis here, dollar CAD has got a bounce with a liquidity grab. There's another bounce with another liquidity grab. So basically dollar CAD has got a very strong bounce here. And that is reflecting on gold. We can see that the market on gold is absolutely bearish here from that zone. So after this candle formation, we have seen a big drop, and GBP/JPY also we have seen a big rejection from here. We don't want to do anything with the GJ at the moment. For gold, let it bounce up to any of this liquidity zone, then we can look for another entry. Well guys, hope that you are enjoying the live session. I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up here and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. As soon as there will be trade, we will be looking to enter based on our strategies and also with risk management. Are you guys ready for an entry? Let me know if you are ready. This is there is a structure here in this 1 minute time frame, and with this structure we'll be looking for break of structure and then to drop again. Daily today's low is here, and we see that today's low reach here. It's a big move today so far, and with this move on the daily, okay, so here is a couple of levels that see how the market is reacting. We would like to see a bounce. There is another news coming in just a matter of an hour, and that might take the price for another bounce here, and then we could see the price breaking down again. I will be waiting for that a bit of liquidity grab from any of this level. It's almost there to the resistance line. Are you guys ready? We need to see that. I know that it might getting a bit of impatient traders, so make sure that you keep patience because there is another news coming. There's a 4-hour candle close coming also. I'd like to see that here, the probability, how much probability to drop. Now let me delete those lines to see a bit more clearer picture here. So this is a resistance line here, and also this is a high, and waiting for the price to go ahead and hit that and then to drop down again in that direction. So this is where the high probability zone. I think we might see a bit of potentially upside here. A bit of upside will give us that liquidity that we need for this drop here. We found that resistance here a bit of, and we want to see that one. This is the 1 minute chart one more time, breaking and then coming back down here. What's happening? So the probability for dropping further is also we might see continuation. I don't think that gold will be able to bounce from here and going back up to any of the resistance. Instead, any bounce to the upside could give another opportunity for selling. But it's in a pullback. We'll be waiting for that pullback to be over. Okay, now it's this move, which is I was expecting, because then we will see proper liquidity grab for another potential drop. I would like to go for short on gold from here. Stop loss will be above this candle. Bit of risk here, so make sure guys you do proper risk management. We'll be entering by market, so it will be around 38 pip stop loss. We'll be targeting here 2 to 1 reward to risk base. Later if we need, we will be changing that TP target. Risk no more than 1 or 2%, depending on you. If you are trading on a prop account, then definitely even not more than 0.25%. Risk is strictly managed. It's very important that you do proper risk management. That's the key in trading, is to do the risk management. So I'm short on gold here with a bit of, so if the next one going up and hitting that, that's unfortunate. Expecting gold to drop in that zone. Okay, so I'm short on gold, and if the market drops here aggressively, we'll be taking the profit within a short period of time. It's a scalping, so I'm running in profit. And give a thumbs up guys in the meantime, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So we open sell on gold, and also I'll be explaining in depth, understanding why I have opened that position. So if you want to learn more, make sure you stick till the end of this session, and also learn the strategy. If you want to learn the strategy that I am trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, then you can find the link below this video. I will be taking, sometimes I mix up with the grammar anyway. We'll be taking 10 people, 10 traders who are passionate today, only today, for free to join Academy. It's a scholarship for those who are passionate about trading. Make sure you stick till the end to see how you can join for free, only for 1 day. 10 members will be able to join, and then go on. So also you can join by other website. I will be explaining later how you can join. But in the meantime, let's look at here, secure some profit first on gold so that we can know exactly how to trade and how to access everything. And we can see that this is gold here, and with that on, price is dropping in the direction that we expected. So we have sold gold and waiting for a drop. Securing some profit is important here. Make sure you stick till the end of this session. Make sure also you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting. Guys, did you smash the like button? And probably you're following me for ages, but maybe forgot to smash the subscribe button. So if you do that, there will be a lot of content, because based on your interest, YouTube algorithm will know exactly what you are looking for. They will send you the tutorial that you have never seen to your homepage. So press that subscribe button. Just one press will give you a lot of freedom. Now here, expecting a bit of downside on gold. So I'm short on gold. There is a 4-hour candle closed. I'm going to hit that liquidity zone again. Bit of early entry, or so there is another news will be coming in an hour, and come on, what's that? Okay, so if it is forming a liquidity candle in that area, that could give another probability to drop. Want to see that this 5 minutes candle closing as a bearish candle. Are you guys with me? Thanks for joining the live session. Awesome. It's look like it's trying to form a liquidity candle here. Still not closed. If you are not sure about the liquidity candle, make sure you stick till around this video. We'll be explaining more in depth of understanding what is a liquidity candle. It's just trying to get another liquidity. And to see the market managed to break below. Guys, are you guys with me? Running profit on gold. So in the meantime, today we have decided to take 10 people to join to learn the strategy that I am trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So these 10 people will be given entry as a to learn with me, to grow with me in the live trading room, in the VIP trading room, where you can access everything, all my education, all my strategies, all my tools, everything completely for free for 1 day for 10 passionate trader from this live session. So if you want to be on that, the information is I'm giving you right now in the live chat. Don't miss out because it will be given first come first serve basis. So I have given you the link in the live chat. This is a regulated broker. You can just click register and then fund your account and then email the email given below, info@forextradingwizard.com. Email us your account number or any information that you have opened account with them and your account is ready. Then I can, or the team will be sending you the access details straight away in your email. The link to TradingView no longer works. It's not a TradingView link. Let me give you the full link. So I have given you the full link, so you can use that link and then register, fund your account, and then email us info@forextradingwizard.com. So once you fund your account, just you need to send the information, either your account number info@forextradingwizard.com. We'll be replaying with your access detail to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So this is only limited, only 1 day offer, so you can take it right now to get access to everything that we have in the academy. Okay, we see that here the market has started to drop. Okay, it's dropping now. It's dropping in the direction, and I'm running good profit. Guys, are you with me? Are you running profit? Let me know. So let's see. I think we might see. I want to bring the TP at 2330 because there might be a rejection from here because already the price already made too much today. So I will be bringing my TP at 2300.30 to make it a bit of so I move TP at 2300.30. So I may move my TP on gold to that level, and let's see what it is trying to do here. So that's not unexpected. I want to see that the market is basically broken down from here. It has come to 2303 and is finding a support here. Why? Still probability for a downside here. It's very interesting price action here. Oh, this is an absolutely bearish price action. But what it is trying to do here on the lower time frame? So it has broken one liquidity zone. I think it's gathering further liquidity for another wave of drop potentially. So from 30 minutes and 5 minutes and 15 minutes, still see potential downside. I'll still be holding the trade. So 15 minutes, we can see potential close as a bearish price action. Are you guys with me? Now there will be another news in an hour, so it's important to see what in fact the price is planning for here. Still holding, and expecting it to break and then to give us some profit in that area. There is a doji on the 15 minutes, and if the price is not being able to break that high of this 15 minutes doji, then we can expect for the price to keep pushing down here. Let's see. I'm still holding, and yeah, I'm still holding with the running profit. I don't want to take a smaller profit here. And also I do share all my trade in the VIP community. So if you are joining today in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, also you can access all my trade, including entry, stop loss, and take profit target. And today only there will be a possibility to join with completely for free for 10 members that can access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you can find the information here. So it's only 1 day limited time offer to get access to everything in the academy. Okay, expecting it to come down to this support level. Are you guys with me? We see that downside, and from that doji, So why does the gold is dropping that much suddenly? I think that the bubble is being burst now. There was a bubble, and with that burst, ultimately, if we look at the monthly chart, because there's a monthly candle close coming, and we might see even sudden retest of this support. So let's see how far it's going, because this is the last week of the month, basically last day of the month. Week is done, and this drop, in fact, an important point to look at, because with this drop, it might suddenly retest any of this important support and then could revert back to the major direction of the trend. So the drop here might be a bit of stronger drop, and we are running profit. Guys, are you running with me? Profit on gold. Greatness. So yeah, thank you. So you have successfully created, funded, and looking forward to learn and upgrade my life. Absolutely. So if you did it within a short period of time, so you will be qualified. The team will be emailing you back with the access detail to the academy. Well done. Congratulations, greatness. So you are one of the 10 people who will be able to join for free today, only today, instead of $1,050 today. Only it's a giveaway, $1,000 giveaway for those who are passionate in trading, to learn and grow as a trader with me. Samir, to be part of the live trading room, you have to be the member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So to be part of the live trading room, you have to be the member in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And to be member of the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, there are two options. You can go to the website. So www.forextradingwizard.com. So this is the website, our academy website, or your academy website. So once you are in the academy website, www.forextradingwizard.com, click here to join. So once you go down, you'll find this joining option. So the lifetime access joining is basically it's $1,050 discounted to $499. And if you click here, you will be able to join. But today, only today, for 10 people, this $499 is $0. So it's now only for today, for 10 people, you can join with $0. So to do that, the only thing that you need is get your account ready. I have given a link in the live chat. So if you click that link and then register and then get your account ready, fund your account. Once you fund your account, email us back. So the email address given is info@forextradingwizard.com. Send any information of your account opening, name or email address. The team will send you straight back to the access and everything, so that you can access the VIP live trading room. You can access the courses, you can access the trading tools and everything that we have in the academy, which is enormous value currently, but you get it for free only for 1 day offer and may not come back anymore. So make sure you do that right now and then get it ready. So now we are running good profit on gold trade that I'm running, and let me see, you will be running or you will be taking. Let me look at that. I'll be running. It's still dropping, so we will be holding it for a bit more profit here. It's important that you learn to trade with the trend. That's the key. Trading with the trend is the key to be profitable as a trader, and that's what I'm trying to train every member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, in the VIP Zoom class, in the VIP live trading room, with tools and everything so that they can learn and grow as a trader, and they can learn the risk management. Giving the tool to do the risk management also important. So I'm also distributing the tool currently and also explaining how to do the risk management, which is very important. So let's see, suddenly we have seen a bit of pullback, and you want to see that. Guys, in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. We see a bit of stronger rejection, or we can see that drop. Come on. We didn't take the profit. Now it's bring up for pullback again. Still we'll be holding it still. So 15 minutes, would like to see that rejection, which is very important to see that market has got a rejection. Okay, we see that drop. All right, patience is the key. You see, patience pays off. So you were patient. Now we see again profit running. Come on. All right. Patience is key. We'd like to see that the market has broken in that direction. As there is another news coming, we might see that drop that I'm expecting to 2300. That's why we will be taking the TP. Because in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, give a thumbs up here and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. For the US, no problem, you can still join via the website. So just visit the website www.forextradingwizard.com and then click join now button. So you can directly use the website to join, to become part of this trading community here. So click join now, click here to join. This is now currently discounted the lifetime access. You can access the lifetime here. So everything included. You just click here to join and be part of the trading community if you don't want to use via the broker. So there is no number limit if you are using the website to join, where you will be learning the strategy, where you will be seeing what I am trading, what is the strategy behind and everything, when you are our lifetime member. And also, more importantly, this incredible tool that I am using, also I am giving it to the VIP members. You can see back-to-back two liquidity candle formation, both of them has moved in the direction of the trend, and nothing guaranteed, not all trade will work out. So make sure that you do proper risk management, is very important. And here, this is the main goal, is for me to teach the members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to learn and grow as a trader. So here you can use the website, or today you can join using the information given in the live chat. So once you register, then you can just email us and then we will be sending you the access detail. So take on Gbp USD. Let's see, we'll be looking at, but first let's manage our, let's take some profit on this gold trade first. I want to see that gold finally has broken, as we see that there is a bearish price action. Fair amount of liquidity here. Come on. Where are you going? It's going back up to another liquidity zone. Okay, so we still didn't close, and I'm still expecting gold to drop and then to give us profit that we need. But as there is another news coming, so that basically before that news, it's another amount of liquidity grab here. So let's also get ready to close whenever we see profit, good profit. But I want to see that it basically broken below further. Though we see a bit of price action here, but I still believe that the market might remain still bearish. Open the price. So if we look at the 1 hour candle, this is the 1 hour candle, and once this candle will close, we will basically see that there is another news. And but I think that what we can see, Here I'm still holding because the running trade that I had to post. But here what we see before the news, suddenly there is a bit of bounce, but I think that it's less likely for gold to become very strongly bullish, but we see a bit of bounce and it's taken us out of the trade. We need to re-enter again once you'll find that. Okay, so what the price before the news, we can see suddenly there is a rejection from this support level, and it's a very unusual price action. Let me see why the price has bounced back to the upside. So this is a huge breakout suddenly. Probably there could be a bit of unusual news has come out on, though their news is not there, but we might see a bit of unusual news. So the market suddenly so this is where the news is at 12 p.m. in my zone. So much of upside suddenly, and let's look at the 1 minute chart. We will be re-entering once we find any kind of entry. So there will be news in 15 minutes. I would like to re-enter gold again from here before the news with a stop loss here in that resistance level, and TP target again targeting here 221, expecting with the news the price to reject again from this level. So stop loss 2314 and TP target at 2301.47. I'll be re-entering gold. So stop loss 23. If the price is breaking, we didn't enter. So if I keep my entry in that area, okay, so put my stop loss at 2314.59 and TP target here 2301. So I've re-entered gold again, sell. So I have re-entered again on gold with proper risk management. Now will be if the market with the news getting rejected again, because there is a news coming up, we can expect, even if it is going up here, we still have a couple of pips more space to the upside. If the price breaks again in the major direction, then we should be able to see the price again dropping down. There is a high liquidity zone here, and this is the 5-minute chart. As this market was dropping, the trend continuation is expected. So this is a 1-minute chart again I was looking at in 1-minute chart to see. Okay guys, so let's see if the market managed to break down, then we should be able to see the drop again. Sure guys, you put a stop loss. I really don't know why the market behaving such an unpredictable way, but I have some old trade running. So we see the market going in our favor, and okay, we have targeted here for 3.5 times. Just make sure that you do proper risk management, is very important. And that's the main goal, that the main thing that we are doing here in the academy, to help the traders to learn the risk management. come on, this getting reversal. It will be unbelievable if it reverses from here. So we have 7 to 8 minutes for the news to be published, and okay, want to see that breakdown. So one strong breakdown will give pool 3 times here, guys. Make sure you're not taking a big risk. It's very important. Trading with discipline and risk management is the key. So we see downside, and in the meantime I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, guys, and also subscribe to the channel. We see the price started to drop here. Hi coach, when would you now got first 100 spots, 10 spots? Coach, when would you now if I got first 10 spots? So Yuki, if you are able to join, if you are able to register and then send us email immediately, you will be able to join. I hope that is still I see that the spot is still not filled. I was looking at the email a little bit, not still we have few spots left. Yeah, so you can join. Just register and then email. Even if it will take time for you to fund, you still can email after you register, so you'll be counted and recorded. So here we can see that this trade now again started to drop in that area. I want to take 3 times. I think if it drops here, then we should be able to see a big move again, as there is a news coming in just a couple of minutes. I'm still holding it because I want to take the full profit, including the previous one. Okay guys, are you with me with this trade? Now this one is dropping down a lot. My TP at 2301. If it reach there, it will be almost three times. But let's see if here it isn't forming an inverted head and shoulder. I believe that it's not doing that. This is the problem now. Yeah, I want to see that breakdown. So if this 5 minutes candle again going up, then it might try to break again, and then starting to an inverted head and shoulder that might even make it a reversal trade. Certainly this 1 hour candle has got unusual bounce from a support level, and just too annoying movement. I would still consider bearish. See, we have 2 minutes for the news to come out. I'm still holding, guys, so make sure that you do risk management because there might be a spike. Okay, the price action is still bearish here. For me, it's still bearish. I want to take the full 3 times. I'll give a shout out what I'm doing, and yeah, want to see the spike downside again. You guys holding it with me? Holding it. I think that we might see, if we see spike down in one move, we will be able to take the 3% on this single trade. Yeah, I'll give a shout out if I close in the middle. Come on, come on. Trying to bounce. They're still holding. Come on, gold. Okay, moving down. Still holding it. Want to take the full TP here. No. So this one 5 minutes, wanna see that closing as a narrow long wick doji, so that we can see that the next one is coming down here. Are you guys bearish or bullish? I'm still bearish. I'm still holding the trade. so that we can cover the previous one as well as this one with the full profit in it. We see downside here. Okay, we can see the market started to drop, okay, in our favor. I'm still holding it because I need bigger profit. That's how the trading is. You need to wait for the bigger profit target. Coming down, now I'm running more profit than the previous one. I'm still holding it for full profit target hit. Second gold trade. Okay, now you're forming doji. Oh, that's weird. Price action today. This price action is a bit of unusual that we see. All the data came out. CB consumer confidence 97 out of 104. So basically we see that there is a bit of potential for reversal, but I think that still not fully ready for it without proper breakdown, without proper liquidity grab. So it's just taking the more and more liquidity. Okay guys, so price is struggling a little bit to drop, but ultimately what I think that price might make its way to the downside. Do you think that the price is going to drop here? What's your opinion on that? Okay, now it started to drop. So let's hold it now. We are now well more than our previous trade, but I still want to hold it for a bit more profit. Okay, it's pushing down now at the moment. Are you guys with me? Running in incredible profit here. That's how trading is. This is what I try to explain to you. Okay, do not be afraid to take risk, and at the same time do not be afraid to do the risk management. That's how you see the market. Okay, we got a big profit target hit. Big profit target. I'm closing manually, so I secured 3 times profit. Guys, this is how trading is. Okay, so this is what I try to explain to you to learn and grow as a trader. I'm out with the trade now. Three times profit hit. Guys, can you let me know you got 3 times profit hit on that? This is a massive one, massive. Can you let me know you got hit? I close manually here with 2-3 people below. Yes, TP hit here. Thank you. Yes, coach. In which email do you send? So to send the confirmation, you need to send the confirmation info, email info@forextradingwizard.com. So the confirmation email will be info@forextradingwizard.com. So today you can join us in the academy. No cost at all, only for today, for few members, for limited numbers. So you need to email us. First register with the recommended broker, get your account ready, and then email us info@forextradingwizard.com. So this is the information that I'm giving you. Still the spots available, so you can use that. Click that link and then register, and then you can start. You can be part of this trading community, and that's the email address that's given, where you can learn the strategy that I'm trading. So basically you'll be saving this $1,050 once you use that. But in case if you don't want to register with the broker, you can still join via the website, where you can get a discount of, so it's basically $4.99 one-off lifetime. But if you are joining the broker and funding your account and emailing us back, you can get this full free. So basically you get $0 to join in academy for lifetime, and you can get access everything, signals with entry, stop loss and take profit, my strategies, and also a foundation trading course, advanced trading course, tools that automated system that I have, and also the indicators, everything. So you see that drop, and gold has given the massive profit on that. So that's why risk man, this is what I will be teaching you in the live trading room, how to do the risk management. This is what exactly is the main goal of this academy. Because if you are not doing the risk management, by the way, either you are joining here, or you are trading by yourself, or you are going anywhere in the world, you're not gonna make it happen. All right, so you need to understand it, that there's no other alternative way to be profitable rather than doing the risk management. There's nothing else. So I would recommend you to right now to join here in this academy with this free offer, because this free offer only available today. So basically you can get your account ready tomorrow, after tomorrow, but you need to register today so that you can get access to it, and you need to email us back. So that's what where you can learn and grow as a trader with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And so let's see now where we have, where's the signal on GBPusd. Okay, how to join the free if the broker isn't available. Okay, got it. Thank you for joining the live session. News negative, a bearish 2000. Maybe it can be bounced from here. Hey coach, I have already funded my account. Send it UK, no problem. If you have funded account and email, then you just get it back very soon, the replay. So yeah, awesome trade. Thank you, Derek. Welcome. Yeah, I think we might see further downside now. Thank you. Yeah, yes, thank you. Nice trade. Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, that's how, it's important that we, as a trader, it's important that we understand trading, which is very important. And being a trader means that actually you become very curious, you become open-minded, and you have a bigger goal in mind. That's how trading is. Do you have a bigger goal in mind? It's important that you have a bigger goal in mind, which is absolutely important for a trader. So what's your goal? What's your expectation from your trading? Is very important also to have a practical expectation from trading. Okay, now here we can see the market after this liquidity grab managed to break again in the major direction of the trend. And we have a very successful trading day as two gold trades. One was massive winner, the other one has come to the profit and again has gone back up. But finally, with the risk management, I have managed to secure more than double. Okay, so basically the first one was SL, the second one became more than double. So basically we are in a good profit. And yeah, so that's how trading is. That's how trading is. You need to understand that trading works with risk management, and without risk management, not's gonna work out. It was a great session with all of you traders, and thank you for joining the live session. I will be coming on live again tomorrow, and also will be posting important analysis during the time of London and New York session. Along with, I will be trading in the live trading room in the upcoming session, in the upcoming times, also tomorrow. Yeah, patience is the key. Patience is the key. Yen pairs to rally, yen. Yeah, yen is bullish. Did we saw yen is bullish? So not yen, but like dollar yen and GBP is bullish. So dollar yen, we see that the bounce here. GBP is bouncing. Yeah, we'll be looking for the JPY pairs to trade. Thank you, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the live session. I haven't got any comment back. Okay. Thanks for the inspiration and guidance. Yeah, absolutely. Do you think that is going down further? Yep. Can we buy gold now? Yeah, we can. Profit. Patience. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. All right, traders. Hope that you enjoyed this live session, and I'll see you again trading live together. Until then, stay well, stay happy.